Hey guys, so I'm super excited to show you how to make money with PostGenie. There's three ways you can do it. Okay, the first way is use PostGenie to create your posts as you do, and it's great at doing that. Okay, super fast. Generate quote. Might as well show you. It's fast enough. Search pixels. Okay, save post. Okay, so yep, save post. So save your posts, create your posts, and share to Instagram as you do. So you're using PostGenie, cool. Then what you want to keep in mind is at the end of the month, gather up your 30 posts, right, and get the template link, okay? And so choose out your good posts, but if your posts are nice, you can now bundle these posts and resell them, right? How cool is that? So you could do motivational posts. You could do them based on your theme. Okay. Take a month's worth of your posts, bundle them, get the template links, and sell the template links all in one doc. And then you've got a unique product with your own posts that people can use. So let me show you what I mean though, right? Because you might not know how this template system works. So if I get the template for this, copy, and I'm just going to go to it in my browser. Now, if anyone goes to a template link that you provide to them, they will be able to use the template. You see? And yes, they can edit it. Okay. Right? They can even change out the background video if they want to. Right? So, but the beauty is you can sell them as done for you templates. And when they click the link, they can come in here and edit it, and then they can save it, right? So then they get the post. That's how you can make money. You could sell your bundle of 30 posts for $27. Okay, so that's one way. Second way is we now have an affiliate system. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Your invite link, copy. You go into your account and go to affiliate program. So if I visit this link, see my total clicks 117. I'm going to visit my own affiliate link, which lands them on the main web page. So that link was that link. There's the record of me just doing it now. So you get a history, and there's the count. Okay, so we have an affiliate system, and you can earn 20% recurring revenue. That's the second way. Here's the third way, which is really cool. It's a combination of both of the systems I've just shown you. The third way is, remember the template that I showed you? Now, you can just share your templates, the template link, like anywhere, right? For people. You can share your template links for free, like to other people. Or you can sell them, right? Now, here's the cool thing. This is what I've built here. If you go to statistics, your template links are tracked. So you'll be able to see who's clicked on your template link and how many used it, right? But what I've gone and done is I've created this system in such a way that when you share a template link, it's an affiliate link. So what that means is if someone uses your template, that's cool. It'll keep a record of that. And if they decide to upgrade their PostGenie subscription to a paid account, guess what? You get paid. Right? So how awesome is that? Okay? So you can see that it's worth using, even just for that. And like PostGenie saves you time and energy anyway. It's a great tool. But now I've just shown you how you can monetize it. All right. Okay.